it's Jocelyn, aka Grandbaby Cakes, and today we're back with another easy baking hack you will need in your baking arsenal. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make an easy substitution for powdered sugar. If you've got granulated sugar and some cornstarch, baby, you're on your way to some homemade powdered sugar. Let me show you how to make it. So, as I mentioned before, you just need these two ingredients, some granulated sugar, and we've got some cornstarch. And for an appliance, you either need a food processor or a pretty heavy-duty blender. And I'm going to add our two ingredients right into our blender. Now let's blend this puppy up. Let's blend this puppy up. So you just want to make sure that it's blended to like a really nice powdery consistency because we actually are changing the texture of the granulated sugar. So you're not going to have those granules anymore. You're going to have that nice confectioner sugar look and feel that we like. Let's see how we did here. Whoa! Smoking. You can see that amazing powdered sugar look. Now, I'm gonna dig in and show you how different the consistency is now. Oh, look at that. Make it rain, make it rain. With just two easy ingredients. So, now that we've got our perfect powdered sugar, you can store this in a canister where you put all of your other pantry supplies, and then you can easily grab it whenever you need some for a recipe. And that's it, y'all. Easy powdered sugar in a jiff. If you want the full recipe, make sure you go to grandbabycakes.com, and don't forget to subscribe because you will want to check out my next baking hack next time. I'll see ya.